Is there a whale in your house? Reapers, what's is good? It's your boy Laser. He's always back with another scary action video. He's on the scary content. So you can do left. He has written a Ring Doorbell horror, the scariest compilation yet. Guys, it's been a minute since I've reacted to fucking doorbell videos. We're not straight into scary content. If you enjoy scary content, using more scary videos features to be sleeping, you subscribe to the notification bell icon. I'll stream every night on Twitch. Go check out streams, fucking amazing. Let's dive straight in this video. I swear, bro, it's been a minute since I've reacted to doorbell videos.
In this first spine-tingling footage, a man is captured on camera engaged in a seemingly intense conversation with an invisible figure. His gestures and expressions suggest a range of emotions. Perhaps he's scolding a mischievous ghost, or maybe he's unraveling a mystery of his own.
No. Don't do that.
The fuck?
No.
You good, buddy?
No.
I don't know what he's doing.
Don't do that.
What is he doing with the window?
No. Don't do that.
Oh, wait. Is there something knock it down? Wait, what? Is there like someone out there is like a stranger car? I don't fucking know. I don't know what's going on.
In this unexpected footage, embark on a journey with us as we uncover the first month of a family's life in their new Canadian apartment. From settling into unfamiliar surroundings to discovering the quirks and charms of their new neighborhood.
I heard like some kind of sobbing, so like I can hear right now of crying. I thought it was the neighbors, but it's been going on for like about, I don't know, like 5-10 minutes. I can barely walk. It's coming from downstairs.
Be careful, buddy. Be careful, buddy. I feel like there's just gonna be like some hand that comes out of nowhere. I see it all the time in these stairs, like these ghosts. I see it all the time, bro, with like these stair videos and like these ghost videos and all that shit. You see all these fucking like weird. I remember seeing this one, like this like demonic fucking hand, like some weird hand just crawling up the stairway. It was creepy as shit. Weird.
I'm not gonna go. It sounds like it's coming from our room, Kim. I just hang.
Is there a whale in your house? Is that you, Lizzo? I would click that on TikTok, but it's gonna get taken down for bullying. It's Lizzo, guys. What the fuck, bro?
Please go.
Weird.
In this inexplicable footage, step into the eerie world of abandoned mysteries as we accompany a brave soul and his friend on a chilling exploration. Live on social media, they venture into a reputedly haunted, deserted store, sharing every spine-tingling moment with their viewers. As the live stream unfolds, a chilling revelation shakes them to the core. An unmistakable face peers over the shoulder.
Streaming live to his audience.
So with all like the weird ass mist. Hey, buddy. Enjoying your time? Oh, shit. Mama. Mama. Fuck me, bro. I don't know what it is, bro, but there's just something about, like, blurred, like, figure faces. I don't know, it's so fucking eerie. Eerie as shit, you know what I'm saying? Makes me want to fucking slit my throat. Creepy. Creepy as shit. I think like white figure faces that are blurred are terrifying. Oh no, it's an error!
Viewers, you can send your creepy footage to Creepy Chronicle and subscribe to our channel for more eyes-opening contents.
I miss hearing this narrator voice, bro. I think it's AI generated. It sounds like AI generated.
In this eerie occurrence's footage, a man who experienced inexplicable events within the confines of his own home. Awoken by a mysterious voice calling his name in the dead of night, he sets out to unravel the unsettling mystery by placing a camera to capture any elusive presence. What he captures defies explanation. A blurry figure materializes through the lens, unseen by his naked eyes.
Don't come towards the camera, please. Please don't come towards the camera.
A white figure can be seen standing in the man's hallway, but who or what is it? After closely examining the footage, the homeowner believes it's the apparition of a woman in a long white dress. What do you think it could be? Hold on to our final clip.
In this perplexing footage, a dog owner notices his loyal companion behaving unusually, hesitating and displaying signs of fear when urged to enter a room. Could it be that the dog senses something beyond human perception?
Doggy! I swear that dog looks just like one of my old homie's dogs. Looks just like one of my old homie's dogs he had. You good, doggy? You good, doggy? Meow. That's a weird looking cat. Doggy. Dude, I'm telling you, man, dogs be sensing shit we don't sense. Like, they pick up on, like, the most paranormal, like, energy, all that shit. They pick up on things that we can't even see. Like, it's crazy, man. They can see the littlest things. Crazy.
Get in here. Get in here.
Get doggy?
Get in here. What is the deal?
Come here, buddy.
Astrid, you're freaking me out. Come here. Come here.
In this unexpected twists ring doorbell clip, in broad daylight, police officers inadvertently raid the wrong house, setting off a chain of bewildering events. Caught off guard, the occupants' reactions range from confusion to disbelief as the situation unfolds before their eyes.
What's that?
Police search warrant! Police search warrant! Policía orden de arresto!
This is like SWAT shit, bro. Wait, what the fuck? This is like SWAT type shit, bro. This is like being swatted in a way. What the fuck happened? Was it like a whole ass robbery? Did the person in this house like do some robbery? What the fuck did they do? What just happened? Search warrant. What the fuck happened? I don't know much about search. I don't know too much about search warrants. I can't talk. If you're new to my channel, it's my tongue, man. I think I gotta cut some of my tongue off. It like makes me mumble words. It's such a pain in the ass. Like people have asked, like, is there something wrong with you? And there's something wrong with my tongue. I gotta cut it. I think it also has to do with like fucking I don't think I have ADHD. I think I used to. ADHD can like go down as you age, but like I don't know.
In this gripping Ring doorbell clip, on January 2nd, 2024, a homeowner took decisive action, submitting shocking footage to the police that captured their troublesome neighbor causing damage to their property. The footage, recorded by a Ring doorbell, reveals the extent of the vandalism and the audacity of the perpetrator.
What was he banging it down with? I don't know what just happened.
Then, on January 24th, he broke their outdoor garage lights, front door knob, and their Ring camera.
Chill. Officer says there was someone just banging the fucking thing. What a very rude person. Dude, I'm tired of these fucking spam calls. Holy shit.
In this unsettling Ring doorbell clip, watch as a harrowing daylight robbery unfolds in a disturbing footage. Two men brazenly approach a lady, cornering her with the intent to steal.
What the fuck? Did they rob her? What did they steal from her? Did they rob her? Wait, what just happened?
In this chilling Ring doorbell clip, a lone figure, cloaked in darkness,
I
attempts
think they robbed her. I don't know. Like, here's the thing, bro. If you're ever in like a robbery situation or whatever, just give them what they want, man. Your life is not worth it, man. Like, fucking, you see it all the time, man, with these fucking famous celebrities. Like, you know, I remember that the one that really tripped me out was fucking X, man. Like, motherfucker was in that robbery, and I think he was gonna give them, I don't know, they just wanted his money or whatever, but they ended up killing him. I don't fucking know.
to break into a house using an array of unconventional keys. The tense moments unfold as the homeowner's surveillance system captures every move.
What's going on? What you got there? Is that lip gloss? What you doing? Damn, is that it? Damn, it's good. Well, guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Which one of those scary situations was most interesting to you? If you enjoy the scary content, These are more scary situations like the feature to do. I'll see you next one. Peace.
Extra large money.